The second option within Sculpt and Deform mode now. Once again a plane, quad divided. Go into Sculpt Surface mode by clicking on the icon, and as we've already seen, click somewhere on the plane and right-click to create the deformation. Now we're going to use Scope mode. It's the icon here. Click on there. Our crosshairs on top of our deformation have changed to blue now, indicating that we're in Scope mode. And we can see that by rolling the deformation across the plane, by simply clicking and dragging the mouse, we can position it anywhere we want. To assist us, it's a good idea to open a new perspective window. Go to Top View. Just reposition this a little bit, and within the Top View window, roll our deformation around, and we can position it exactly where we want it on the plane. Of course, it's being live updated in the perspective window in the solid render mode. We can create a new surface deformation once again. In Sculpt mode, I'll create a negative here. Go into Scope mode again, and once again in my top view, roll the deformation around. As I approach the vertical deformation here, we can see the two are interacting. And as in Sculpt mode, the crosshairs can be scaled or rotated as we wish, changing deformation as we go. We've got total control here. To reactivate move, just click on the center of the crosshairs and start moving again, and we can start rolling it around. We'll take a look at another object and how we can use that. Take a cube this time. I'm going to open a second perspective window. Change that to front. Zoom in there. Now on the cube, I'm going to select 3 faces and quad divide those. Once again, Sculpt Surface tool. Start a new deformation by clicking on the object. Right-click to drag a deformation. Now then, enter Scope mode. We can see I'm on the side of the object here, so it's a good idea to change this to a corresponding side. And as we saw with the plane, if we now edit in that particular view, I'm editing here in the side view, we can move the deformation accurately. I'm going to roll it to the top of the cube. Then in my top view, I'm going to continue my deformation movement here. Roll it down to the side. Change this to the front view, and then continue the deformation down the front here. So we can deform in 3 dimensions now. Once again, new surface deformation. Enter Sculpt mode. Right-click. I'll scale this one a bit. Then start moving it again. Enter Scope mode, and off we go. We can start rolling the deformation around. There we have it.